Blood out.
Yeah. Yeah. Quick, suppress it before it catches on fire. Oh! Yeah, that's good.
Here's your battery.
Yeah.
It ain't going out.
There you go. God, it needs to go back to hell. Wow, I think we really reduced that to a bigger blob than the last one.
Yeah, I think so. Alright, move the table. Chemical fire. Look outside. God, they're coming this way.
Don't ever.
Here.
Careful, get away from the control board.
Too late now. It's not going out, Shawn. Move it.
I don't.
It's not going out. It's not going. Oh yeah, they're released.
Interesting, they use an LED bulb for the cavity light.
Oh man, that's hot.
Yeah, I would say so. Enough to melt the glass like taffy. The turntable yet?
Not yet.
It worked out.
God damn.
Oh man, you smell that?
The battery. Oh shit. Look at the battery. Look at that. It's like red.